I'm Neil Sampson and Managing Director at Solar Gates UK. We've been involved in the highway sector for about 10 years now, and my first role technically would have been apprentice because we were new to it. Working with international distributors, so going to places in the other side of the world and meeting people who like our products as well is definitely a high for me. Being fired from Häagen-Dazs, that was not a particularly proud moment. I think I would have said hello to a few more people instead of being too busy to say hello. Hiding behind a corporate gloss when actually there's a lot of truth and good being hidden under the surface. Never waste a journey. Getting it right. Meet some awesome people who believe in what they do and work hard at what they do. Less red tape, more real life.